Alright guys, working on the Tacoma today. Looking at the coil packs here. These bolts on these 3.4 liters got super rusty. As you can see, I already got one out. But what I'm using for it is these Irwin bolt extractors, and these things are awesome. You get a pack of them for it's like 20 bucks, right around 20 bucks on Amazon. And I'll put up a video of the truck. I just picked this up. Got a pretty good deal on it. It's an 04. I'll do a full walk around, but just doing some basic maintenance stuff to it right now. And if you guys want to see more videos of it, be sure to subscribe. I'm probably going to do a camper, like build my own camper for the back, so I can go on some ski trips. Alright, so I already warmed up the engine a little bit just to help with kind of keeping them loose, getting them loose. So I just shove it on like that. And just knock that on there as tight as you can. You saw how rusty that bolt was. Just keep pressure, and it should come loose. Just like that. Oh. I mean, this thing is just falling apart. So these things are a great investment. If you want them, they're on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. So after I take these coil packs off and replace the plugs, I'll toss some nice stainless bolts in there with little anti-seize. It goes a long way. You know, whether it's your own personal vehicle or the next person who gets it, they'll be thanking you for it. So